If you're someone who's done everything right, you eat clean, you train, you track your sleep, you've invested thousands in labs and supplements, yet you still wake up tired, still feel foggy, still wonder, why doesn't my body reflect how hard I work? Then this training is for you. I get it because I've had countless people say the exact same thing. My labs are normal. I'm doing everything they tell me to do. So why do I still feel off? And here's the truth. You're not broken. You're not crazy. And you're definitely not lazy. The problem isn't you. See, the problem is the system you've been told to follow. In the next few minutes, I'm going to share 4 shifts that have helped my patients, everyone from Olympic athletes to CEOs to people just really serious about their health. We've reversed their biological age, helped them reclaim their energy, and unlock a level of performance they thought was long gone. And once you see these shifts too, you won't look at your health the same way again. Now, before we dive in, let's be clear about who this is for. This isn't for someone just starting out on their health journey. It's not for the biohacker chasing every shiny gadget, and it's definitely not for anyone looking for a quick fix or a magic pill. This is for the person who's already doing most things right. You're disciplined. You've invested in yourself. You follow the rules, and yet something still feels off. Not broken, just off. Like your body isn't matching the pace of your ambition. Like you're putting in all the effort, but not getting the return you know should be possible. I know that feeling because I used to see it every single day. See, before Elevate, I worked in the traditional healthcare system. I used to see 42 plus patients a day, 5 minutes each, treating the symptoms, you know, the typical medical assembly line. And I'd watch these incredibly successful people, successful in their work, their marriage, relationships. They'd walk into my office frustrated. They'd say, I don't get it, doc. My labs are normal. I'm doing everything they tell me to do. Why do I feel so crummy? And I realized something. Traditional care, even the so-called premium healthcare, are built to fix what's broken, to get you back to normal. But you're not here for normal. You're not trying to avoid breakdown. You're trying to perform at extraordinary levels. That was my wake-up call. These people didn't need another doctor telling them they were fine. They needed someone to actually decode their biology with the same precision they use to run their companies or analyze their investments. And that's when Elevate was born. Not another clinic, not another protocol, but a true operating system for human performance. So let's dive into the first shift. Most people define health as the absence of disease. High performers, they define it by capacity. Not am I sick, but am I operating at my full potential? Here's the problem. Your success mindset might be the thing holding you back. You've been trained to push through fatigue, wear exhaustion like a badge, normalize stress. That works in business, but in biology, it's the thing that breaks you down. So here's the shift. Stop measuring health as binary. It's not sick or not sick. You have to start measuring it on a continuum. Am I critical, deficient, sufficient, optimal, or elite? Because when you're in range, it doesn't mean on point. It just means it's not an emergency. And you're not here to avoid emergencies. You're here to operate with clarity, resilience, and fire. So I have a quick action for you. For the next 7 days, I want you to track these 3 markers. I want you to really pay attention to your energy when you wake up in the morning. I want you to look at your sleep quality. I want you then to look at your recovery speed. And then ask, am I just surviving or am I actually performing? Shift number 2. Stop fixing symptoms and start fixing the systems. Here's the question most healthcare avoids. Why? Why is your energy crashing? Why are your hormones low? Why can't you sleep? See, most specialists stop at the symptom. Low hormones? Here's some HRT. Your gut is off? Just change your diet. Can't sleep? Well, let's try the supplement. But your body isn't a set of silos. It's 37 trillion cells working in harmony. And at Elevate, we zoom out. We map out 4 zones. We look at your inputs. We look at your internal function. We look at your outputs and then your patterns. And when you overlay them, you don't guess. You see where the system is misfiring. One client came in. She was told her hormones were low. She had low testosterone. She required HRT. But hormones weren't the cause. They were the signal. They were the lagging indicator. The real issue? E. coli infection and fungal overgrowth in her gut. Once we fix those, her hormones recalibrated naturally because guess what? Hormones don't just randomly drop. Something pulls on them. And unless you zoom out, you're never going to find what's pulling the strings. Shift 3. It's not about doing more. It's about removing the drag. Most high performers think if I'm stuck, I need more supplements, more labs, more protocols, but you're not underpowered. You're actually overloaded. Think about it like your iPhone. You plug it in at night. You wake up, it's at 36%. You don't buy a new charger. You ask, what's draining the battery? Your body works the same way. Hidden anchors drag your system down. Things like mold exposure, mineral mismatches, micronutrient deficiencies, overtraining, gut stress, circadian misalignment. Stack enough of these and no matter how much you add, you're still dragging weight. A client, a founder in her 40s, she'd maxed out her protocols. She'd done all the IVs, the peptides, fasting, the hormone pellets, but guess what? She was still dragging by 2 p.m. Guess what we found? We identified mold in her office, and we then went and cut her caffeine in half. 10 days later, her HRV jumped 22 points. Her brain felt like it was firing again, and she didn't have to grind harder. She just removed the drag. Shift 4. Plateaus aren't problems. They're the upgrades waiting to happen. You've cleaned up your inputs, you removed your stressors, you feel better, but then guess what? You stall. And that's not failure. That's feedback. Your biology is saying you've maxed this level, it's time now to evolve. At Elevate, we run what we call the upgrade loop. Step 1 is we assess. Every 6 to 8 weeks, we do an audit of your energy, your sleep, your outputs. Step 2, we decode. We have to spot what's plateaued or regressed. Step 3 is our upgrade phase. We add in one high leverage lever. Maybe it's meal timing, maybe it's recovery input, sleep rhythm. See, an executive, he had it all dialed in, but his edge was gone. His labs checked out fine, his stress was pretty managed, and his nutrition was clean. We shifted his dinner 90 minutes earlier, added 15 minutes of morning sun. Guess what? 20 days later, he messaged me. I didn't realize how far off I was until I felt myself come back, and now I actually feel in control again. And that's the power of precision. So let's recap. The 4 shifts are simple, but they're so powerful. Shift 1, from preventing breakdown to engineering capacity. Shift 2, chasing symptoms to mastering the systems. Shift 3, from adding complexity to removing resistance. Shift 4, from hitting plateaus to triggering those upgrades. At Elevate, we've built a system that removes the guesswork and makes this real. Over 700 biomarkers, 4,000 data points across 30 critical categories, all decoded into your precise blueprint for peak performance. Now, you can start applying these shifts today on your own, but if you're ready for precision, the kind that treats your biology with the same sophistication that you treat your business, then let's talk. Go ahead and DM me the word Elevate. No strings attached, no pressure, just a direct conversation about what's possible for you. Remember, true optimization isn't about fixing what's broken, it's about unleashing what's possible. And if you've listened this far, you're ready.